Hello, I'm Zan, and I'm going to be walking you through my custom-built overland topper camper. So, here's what it looks like from the outside. Comes up from a 23-inch, which is cab height, up to 36, so that's 13 additional inches. If you look up here, we've got a skylight. Coming around, we've got a gull wing door on this side, and then a mount for your 5-pound refillable propane tank. So we'll go ahead and go inside. Essentially what we've got is a couch setup that converts to a bed, and then we've also got a flip-up table setup. So I'll just kind of go ahead and walk you around everything and then show you the couple modes we have. So over here we have a catalytic propane heater. This is a Camco Olympian Wave 3. Keeps it plenty toasty in here down to low 20s Fahrenheit. We've got a Dometic fan, really nice to pull air through and air out cooking smells and whatnot. Coming along here, this is a custom holder I built for one of these water boilers, and then we have some just storage along here, as well as a magnetic knife rack where you can put your, silverware, mugs, whatever. Up here, I don't have one in right now. This is for a paper towel roll, so it just comes down, stays in place even over bumpy roads. There's also, if you can see, strip lighting that goes all the way around the camper. Coming to the table here, pretty simple. Just flips up into place. Go ahead and flip it back down, and it slides out of the way like that, so you can still access from the outside door. We've got curtains all the way around, and I also have custom cut reflectix that I'll be including that fits into all 3 of the windows. Coming to the skylight, it's closed right now. You can go ahead and bring it up, let the world in, or go ahead and close it back up. Coming over here, we've got a bunch more storage along this side, a bunch of these little elastic holders, and then this is just a string where we kind of like to hang our jackets. Good way to keep a lot of stuff out of the way. It's got a solar charge controller for the solar panel on the roof, and once again, more curtains. I'd like to note that all of the windows are kind of custom shaped out of the paneling wood. So really nice clean look, and that follows to the lift gate as well. Worth mentioning at this point that the entire thing is fully insulated in 1-inch foam board. It's like R6, I want to say, with 1/4-inch pine over it. So stays really nice and warm and cool. Quite nice. I'll go ahead and show you how the bed and couch system works. So first off, when you're in couch mode, you can go ahead and lift that up, it stays up. I used to run like a fridge in here, water, my cooking stuff, sleeping bags, whatnot. And then to go ahead and deploy the bed, you just grab this, and it's a rollover design. So it swings around, and then there's a little latch here. Pull that out. Here comes the leg, and ta-da, we've got our full bed. And when it's in bed mode, you still have access to this storage, and you additionally have access to this storage. We like to keep our skis or whatever in there. So yeah, that's a camper.